Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thailand residence certificates. Sometimes these are called Thailand residency certificates or a Thailand residence certificate, residency certificate, whatever, all the same topic. And I want to be clear at the outset, we are not talking about Thai permanent residence necessarily. We're talking about a certificate that certifies one's address here in the kingdom for purposes of doing some sort of business here in Thailand or obtaining some sort of documentation in Thailand. Things like opening bank accounts, purchasing cars, have some bullet points here, obtaining a driver's license, etc. Oftentimes will require some sort of document which certifies one's residence. Now, in the past, we generally saw these types of documents being issued by embassies here in Thailand and then having that documentation translated and legalized for usage with Thai authorities. That function has been phased out with certain embassies that I'm aware of. It's my understanding the Australian embassy, for example, no longer does this. In fact, I'm certain of that. Whereas the Americans, I believe, are still doing it. I'm not certain with respect to the British. But other countries here may do it, may not do it. They may issue, I believe, for example, certain continental countries, Germany, for example, they don't necessarily issue this type of documentation that can then be legalized for usage here in the kingdom. But instead, those nationals need to go ahead and get this type of document from Thai immigration. And basically, it is simply a document which stipulates one's residence. Again, let me check my bullet points. Basically states you live in Thailand, current home address, and it can actually be hotels, guest houses, apartments, owned homes, etc. Any of these will satisfy with respect to where that address is, but the document itself is oftentimes necessary to get certain other documentation. And as many may find by being an expat here in Thailand, getting one document oftentimes requires getting another document in order to get the new document issued. And sometimes you can get stuck in these kind of catch-22 situations. For example, really where I see this sought a lot is in the context of a driving license. Getting a residence certificate in the context of a driving license seems to be a major issue. So the thing to take away from this video, yes, there are residency certificates. You can apply for them with Thai immigration. There are certain documentation requirements associated with them. And once one has this, it may be easier to go ahead, for example, buy a car, get a driving license, or get a bank account, and be able to operate a little bit more easily here in the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.